Well, peace be on the entire world, people. Well, this is me, Mohammad Shadawala, once again here, and I have brought to you, some of my students. They phoned me, called me, said, sir, we have, having watched your videos, we have studied some of question and answers about daily activity, how to ask open-ended and closed-ended questions. So, today in this class, I have invited some of my students to speak about the daily activities, and you can do it. और आप भी बिल्कुल इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. Just 1 month, within a month, they studied about it. जो भी मैंने अपनी वीडियोस में पढ़ा है उसके अंदर इन्होंने स्टडी किया और उनकी प्रेजेंटेशन आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. आप देखें एंड कमेंट में मुझे जरूर बताएं कि उन बच्चों ने कैसी तैयारी की विद इन 1 मंथ. 1 महीने के अंदर दे कैन स्पीक द डेली एक्टिविटीज. ओके, question and answer. So welcome some of my students.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine.
And can I ask some question about your daily routine?
Yes, why not?
What time do you wake up?
I wake up early in the morning.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
And what do you do after first waking up?
I do first cardinal.
And do you perform namaz?
Yes, I perform namaz.
How often do you perform namaz in a
I
day?
perform 4 times namaz in a day.
And do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
With family, without family?
With my family.
And do you go for job?
No, I don't go for job.
Do you study?
Yes, I study.
Do you go for school?
Yes, I go for school.
Go to school. And what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
How many hours do you spend at school?
I spend 4 hours.
What do you do after coming to home first? What do you do after coming to home?
I change my clothes.
And do you take lunch?
Yes, I take lunch.
And do you take nap?
Yes, I take nap.
How many hours do you take nap?
I take nap 2 hours.
And after waking up, do you go to coaching?
Yes, I go to coaching.
What time do you go to coaching?
I go to coaching at 4 o'clock.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have butter loaf and tea for breakfast.
Do you go for a job?
No, I don't go.
Perhaps you go to school.
Yes, I go to school.
What is your school name?
My school name is Pell Academy.
Where is Pell Academy?
It's near ZMC Park.
ZMC.
Yes. Okay. What do you do first after waking up?
I do cardinal.
Okay.
Okay, after getting up, do you go to your washroom or first you take breakfast?
Yes, I go to washroom and after coming washroom, I take dinner, take breakfast with my family.
After taking breakfast, do you ready for your college or school?
Yes, I go for college and ready 9 o'clock.
So, at what time did you ready for your college?
Coaching.
What time do you go to coaching?
I go to coaching at 4 o'clock.
And how many hours do you spend at coaching?
I spend 5 hours.
And who teach in coaching? You.
Miss Aisha and Mr. Reem teach me.
What time do you come back to home?
I come back home at 9 o'clock.
And do you take dinner?
Yes, I take dinner.
What time do you take dinner?
I take dinner at 9 o'clock.
And do you watch television?
Yes, I watch television.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Thank you for telling some question about your daily routine.
Okay.
वेल सो आप लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरह से हमारे बच्चों ने ये प्रेजेंटेशन दी और ये सिर्फ 1 महीने के अंदर अंदर जो मेरी वीडियोस थी उन वीडियोस को उन्होंने देखा और देखने के बाद प्रैक्टिस से उन्होंने इसकी थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस की और आपको दिखाया कि दे कैन स्पीक, दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. सो नाउ दिस इज योर टर्न. ओके, तो यू कैन हैव वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, आप किसी भी अपने दोस्त को पकड़ें, ओके, किसी कजन्स, ब्रदर्स, सिस्टर्स एंड डू द क्वेश्चन आंसर विद हिम हैविंग सीन माय वीडियोस. ओके, वेल सो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल come with some of other students for speaking daily routine. Alright, so tab tak tara, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.